basics in education and... Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. Good one. Problem 2. 3. Good one. Problem 3. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. You're doing fantastic.
I see you. Friend, will you marry me? Oh, no.
I want to play with someone.
I am looking for you. I hug people for all eternity.
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Let's play.
I have lost you. I don't like that. I hug people for all eternity.
I want to play with someone.
I have lost you. I don't like that.
Break, go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
I hug people for all eternity.
2. Good one. Problem 3. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite. Great job. That's right. Great job.
I want to play with someone. 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 Let's play. Break, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great. Let's play again.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping time.
I am looking for you. Will you marry me? I have lost you. I don't like that.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I wanna play with someone. I wanna play with someone.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
I wanna play with someone.
No running in the hall.
I wanna play with someone.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Someone.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... Get out while you still can!
I wanna play with someone. I wanna play with someone. I wanna play with someone.
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
I wanna play with someone. I wanna play with someone. Let's play. No! That makes me sad.
Oh, hi! Welcome to my schoolhouse! Now it's time for everybody's good one! You're doing fantastic! You're doing fantastic! You did great! Come here and get your prize! A shiny quarter! Now it's time for everybody's good one! Problem 2.
That makes me sad.
I hunt people for all eternity.
Someone.
Friends, I hunt people for all eternity.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do...
Museum, that's me. Hello, I would visit this museum with my student, please.
Sorry, we don't take a bad teacher like you because you slapped your students. Also, I don't want you destroying this
Now it's time
museum.
for
Wait, what?
everybody's
But I won't
favorite
slap
subject.
him.
Great
I
job!
don't trust you, sir.
You're
I
doing
swear I will call the
good
cop if
one.
you keep annoying me with your students is good and not getting fun. Hope you don't destroy anything bad this museum. Very bad. You need to get out of this museum. Also, you have to wear masks or else COVID-19 if you want to get out of this place. The answer
Now
will
it's
be
time for
Okay
everybody's
then,
favorite
I will slap you
subject.
stupid guard at this
Math.
museum.
Answer. You're
And
doing
I'll get out of this stupid place
fantastic.
and-
The alarm go on. Everyone listeners, leave this museum before the fire is coming, and also Baldi, you are waiting in the museum office. Come on, you will be burned if you don't exit museum.